Hi, I'm Vishnu Sundaram from Harman at Consumer Electronics Show 2013. I'm here to demonstrate Harman Insights, a revolutionary cloud platform aimed at providing OEMs the information that they require to provide an enhanced and superior customer experience. In most of the cases, the customers lose the information from the vehicles and from the owners themselves as soon as the vehicle moves from the dealerships. But these vehicles have sensor networks on them and have connectivity on board or through smartphones today. Harman Insights enables collecting this information and providing detailed insights about the driver, the vehicle, and the diagnostic information that's happening on board to the OEMs. Harman Insights is designed as a web application enabling OEMs to use it right from their browser. Insights primarily looks at three dimensions: information about the vehicle, information about the driver, and the diagnostic information. Insights lets OEMs create a filter set choosing a specific make, model, vehicle type, model year, location, and the driver. So here I have done a selection of a set of users to arrive at a bucket, and the moment I click on save, I'm able to capture a report out of this, which consists of a heat map of the distribution of the vehicles of the bucket that I selected on the map. Now the heat map is just a starting point. I can click on a particular location, for example LA, and get more granular information as to the distribution of vehicles there. I can go further and check the distance that is covered by the vehicles that are in the LA. I can go even further and try to classify the group of users that are plying the vehicles in the LA. So this could be commuters, errand runners, weekenders, and the garage ornaments. All this information is mined from the data that we collect from the head unit. I'm now moving over to driver insights. So we saw a lot of information about how the vehicle is being used across geographies. Now driver insights is going to enable us to understand how drivers use their vehicle on the road. I've again selected a bucket of vehicles here, mix of sedans sold in California in 2012, being driven by females between an age group of 21 to 30. Now I'm going to show you the data that we have on how these audience use their cars. One of the primary important feature for the OEMs is to get an understanding of what features do customers use inside their cars. Now I can click a particular geography, LA here, and you see here a report which shows the features that people use the most. This gives OEMs an opportunity to decide the features that should go into their product roadmap. So this answers questions like whether I have to include a CD player in the vehicle or should I include an AM radio in the vehicle, and this data is backed by the census information that we have. Another interesting piece of the report would be the least used features. Some examples here are compass and cruise control, which the status shows that these are not really the most used ones on the ground. Connectivity is one of the most important aspects. OEMs today don't have ways and mechanisms to understand what kind of devices do users bring inside their vehicle. A report like this could give the information to the users on what kind of device they bring and how they interface the device with the head unit. This gives the OEMs an opportunity to plan for their product enhancements and their future product roadmap. I'm moving on to diagnostics. Vehicle diagnostics is another important area where we have a lot of scope for insights to offer. There's a host of information that flows from the vehicle canvas to the cloud, and we could again use these buckets to present that information to OEMs to answer some of the business questions that they have. One of the report that I have here is focusing on the brake pad wear in the vehicles of 2012. So this report, the first chart shows that there's a considerable pie of vehicles which are sold in 2012 and have done just 15k miles, and still have considerable brake pad wear on them. The OEMs traditionally have to reach out to these customers or a postcard to an address which might be obsolete. Now we have more innovative ways of reaching out to the audience. We have a messaging button here which the user can click, and he could now communicate to the specific set of buckets with a particular message. And this message goes to the Harman cloud, and from the Harman cloud it gets delivered as an email, or in cases where Harman provides the head unit solution also, this message appears as a pop-up on the head unit. So Insights provides an end-to-end communication link between the OEM and the customer. So this is going to enhance the understanding of the OEMs about their customers and enable them to deliver better customer experience to their users.